Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you for clicking on this video. I am just going to be doing my hair and my makeup today just to feel good about myself. So the first thing I did was exfoliate my face using the Dudu Uson Black Soap and my face brush. And then we're gonna start with the hair. So I'm just gonna loose out these braids, and something was itching me. Maybe an answer or something, I don't know, but my back was itching, and I know I look naked, but I'm not. I'm not. So we're going to speed through spritz in my hair. Oh my gosh. I'm mixing the original's hair mayonnaise with the African Pride curling cream, and together these smell so good, and it's so moisturizing for my hair. Like, I really love these two products. I love them separately and I love them together. So we're gonna put this all throughout my hair. Then we're just gonna part my hair. We're gonna do a side part, not a very deep side part, but a deep side part. And we're going for a slick bun hair today. So sit back and relax while you just watch me maybe achieve this. So I'm going in with the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. And I'm just going to get this hair real slick. I saw a hair look by Jenny Aiko. Jenny. Why can't I say her name now? Jenny Aiko. But it was a high slick bun. And I've wanted to do that. But like, I don't know. Every time I attempt to do my hair like that, it does not agree with me. So that's why I always resort to a low slick bun, because that's just so much easier. So I'm just brushing this out, getting it, as slick as possible, going back in with some more gel just to make sure that it's slick. You don't want to see the back of my head, okay? Just appreciate the front, because the back, I know the back isn't looking good. So we're going to do these edges, get them slick, 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 look like my life is put together. You know, when your hair it looks good, you look like your life is put together, even if it's not in a slick style. Like, you just look like you're put together. So I'm going in with these clips. I bought them from the shop because I haven't had clips in a while, and I said, "Oh, we're just gonna vamp up every look with a clip." So I'm going in with the purple. So you know what? So I don't know why I felt so cute with this face mask on and my hair done. But I'm just gonna go wash this off with the soap again, and I will be right back. And I'm back with some Vaseline petroleum jelly on my lips just to get them smooth. I'm going into the peach and lily glass skin serum. Yes, Baba. And I don't know why I was just feeling this. Like, my skin just glowing, and I'm using the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. And guys, I just loved how glowy my skin looked. Like, I know that I have oily skin and it glows all the time, but today I just feel real good about my skin. Oh my gosh, it's like it's agreeing with me. I'm just going in with some eye cream. This is the Juice Beauty eye cream, and because my eyes, I might not have bags, but I have dark circles since I lack a good set of sleep. But I'm not gonna say that my baby keeps me up all the time, but he does. But because I can sleep, but I just don't want to sleep. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer on my dark spots, and I saw this video on TikTok hacks, and they do this to just, it gives more coverage. And guys, I can say this really worked when I tried it out. This is the first time I'm ever doing something like this, and it really worked. So I did my eyebrows. I have tutorial, a dedicated tutorial on my eyebrows, and you're gonna see a lot of me laughing throughout this video because I was looking at Family Guy and Bob's Burger, and those shows are just hilarious. They're just hilarious. If you don't watch it, I suggest, especially Bob's Burgers, watch that. It'll have you rolling. So I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder to just set this concealer on my eyes. And for foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation in the shade Coffee. I I really loved how my skin looked in this foundation today. Like, you're gonna see at the end of me applying it how I am just feeling myself. Like, most times when I do my makeup, I like my face to look matte. But I don't know why I was just feeling the glowy look. I was just feeling the glowy look for some reason. And I guess it's because my face is just agreeing with me now. Like, it's just agreeing with me. So I'm even adding more glow to my face by adding the iconic London Prep Set and Glow spray. And for my eyes, I'm gonna do a purple look to match my hair clips. And I'm going in with the Nomad Burling Underground palette, and I'm going in with that brown shade. We know this palette has some fantastical names, so I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce them. And to get the purple shade, we're going in with my Falana Cosmetics palette. And I started with this purple because it's like the only purple in the palette, but I wanted it to be deeper, so I mixed it with the black. And this is a trick. If you want a color to show up just a little bit more, just a little deeper, add just a tad bit of black to it, and that should deepen it. I'm losing my voice. So that's what I did, but I ended up adding a little bit too much black. Do you have something to say, sir? What do you have to add? I don't hear you. What do you have to add? Okay then. When you're ready to speak, you tell me. So I'm just gonna go in on the lid in the center with the purple from the Hank and Henry palette, and on the inner corner I'm gonna go in with that pink shimmer. And it wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give, so I ended up spritzing the brush just to make it a little bit more intense. Yeah, and guys, let me tell you, I was going for something. I I think I have more talent than I actually do. Eh? Sometimes I think I have more talent than I do. So you're gonna see me trying to attempt a graphic liner, but I don't know what I think I was doing. Who told me that I could do these things? Who told me? You're gonna see me just scrap this whole thing. I'm just gonna go off screen now, fix it, and then I'm going to be back. And I am back. My eyeliner is done. My lashes are on. The mascara I used is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. And I used the I Envy Magnetic Liner and Lash, and I showed you guys me attempting to use this for the first time. It's not working the best of my it's not working the best at its what do you say? It's not at the best of its ability. I don't even know. But it's not the best anymore because one of the magnets fell out, but I still use it. And my niece had come, she came looking for a black marker. I don't have that. For my I use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer, and for my contour, I'm using the Black Radiance. Yes, you're chatting with me? What do you have to say, sir? Uh-huh. Okay, thank you. The Black Radiance foundation stick in the shade Espresso. And we're just gonna chisel my face because guys, I've been looking a bit chunky since I was pregnant, and I love it. Like, I just love what this boy has done to me. um but we just want to slim this face, make it look like I'm actually going back to normal a bit. But I just love the way I look. I appreciate the way my body is because I know that I made a beautiful creature with it, that my body went through something, and now I have this beautiful creature that just has so much to say to you. So we're gonna try and chisel that nose just a little bit, as much as I can. I'm going in with blush. You guys know I'm very heavy-handed with the blush. So this is the Tokyo Milk blush oil stick, and I'm just going ham. I'm just going ham because I think blush just brightens the face. And yeah, I said I look shiny, but I'm glowing. I'm not shiny, I'm glowing. So I'm going in with the Becca Cosmetics translucent powder, and well, not translucent. It's brown, but I'm just taking this on some spots in my face to just ease the shininess just a bit. Just a tad bit. You can't even see it easing, but it's easing just a tad bit. And I didn't blend out that contour on my cheeks. I always forget. And none of you ever remind me. I don't know why. Y'all need to start shouting at me and telling me. I went in with the Black Radiance contour palette, to just powder down the areas that were contoured with cream contour. So for highlighter, even though I'm already shining, you could never glow enough. So I mixed Maldive and Bora Bora from the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. And yeah, I just wanted to glow a little bit more. I went in with the purple shade from the Hank and Henry palette on my bottom lash line. You know what I just realized? I didn't put mascara on my bottom lashes. But you can't even, it's okay. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow. Anyways, for my lip liner, I am using the Appeal Cosmetics gel liner, and for my lipstick it's the Black Radiance matte lip cream. And yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh, Baba, do you think mommy looks good? Look at mommy. Do you think I look good? I think he thinks I look good. So I was just really feeling myself. So in my head I was like, I'm feeling myself. 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 Feeling myself. Anyways, that is enough of that. I thank you guys for clicking on this video again. Have a faithfully blessed day. Love you. Bye. Mwah.